Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, so just a quick video here. These are some of the items that you can plant in early spring and be able to start harvesting them in the summer. So these items can withstand the cold temperature in the spring, so you can plant them now. These items are asparagus, garlic, onions, potatoes, asparagus, strawberries. So if you plant these items now, they'll withstand the cold temperature outside, and they'll continue growing and thriving until the summer, and you'll be able to harvest them in the summer. So if you haven't done that, start planting them now. I planted my potatoes a week ago. I also the strawberries I planted last year already coming back. The garlic I planted in the fall. They're doing well. They're coming out great. So hopefully I'm gonna show you guys how they're doing in a couple of weeks, or in a couple of videos coming up. But you can plant all these things, and the cold temperature is just gonna it's just gonna slow them down, but they're still gonna grow and survive. So if you haven't done that, try to plant your stuff now. Plant them early, and that way you can get a good head start on your planting. I have a couple of videos that show you how to plant potatoes, how to plant strawberries, how to plant garlic, and all the other stuff. So check out my videos. I have videos that shows you how to do it in containers and in the garden. So check out those videos, and hopefully these videos helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to see if I can answer as many as possible. If you have already planted your items, just let me know in the comments below what you've planted and what area you're planting, what area you're planting. And that way, at least it helps us at least know what's going on and how other people are doing in terms of growing different things. So I know it's early here in New England where I am. The temperature is still cold outside. It goes to 40s and below right now, but I know the plants that I've planted outside are gonna do well because most of them can survive the cold temperature. I'm at Home Depot. This item I'm talking about, you can get them at Home Depot or other garden centers and farm stands. I'll also put a link to them in the description below. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel because it helps the channel out. And don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.